the final few hours before you write your exam. This phase can actually either create panic or results. Hi everyone, I'm Shivangi Agrawal, your law mentor, for quick briefing with the last minute tips. Listen carefully to me till the end. The first 30 seconds of reading your answer should convince the examiner that you know law. So write your best answer first. Quickly scan the paper as soon as you get it and choose the question you are going to write first. That should include all the parts. Now try to appear for the MCQs first so that at least 20-25 marks are secured quickly with a calm mind. There will be lesser chances of silly mistakes or ignorance if it is done at the start. किसी भी MCQ में if you get confused, eliminate one by one that this cannot be the correct option for sure and reduce your choices and then take a guess. You may reach to the right answer. Set your bag with admit card, pens, bottles, and choose the clothes that you're going to wear tomorrow, today itself. Something that makes you feel confident, comfortable, and keeps you cool. ऐसा ही कुछ पहन के जाना है ना. Ensure that you reach the exam hall well in time and stay hydrated to avoid any unnecessary mental stress. But बहुत ज़्यादा भी hydration नहीं करना है. It can have consequences है ना. You may find that all the questions are difficult. Don't panic. You may also feel that the paper is so easy. Wow, don't get excited. Both the emotions can actually destroy the paper. So be neutral. Just write one question at a time calmly. है ना? Wear a watch, but don't look at it every now and then. कितना time बचा है? कितना time बचा है? Just maintain speed right from the start since the beginning and make sure you're not stuck at one question for long. Otherwise, leave some space, skip it and move to the next question. And don't break your momentum by looking at others. यार इसको तो सब आ रहा है, मैं ही क्यों फंसा हुआ? Why am I finding it difficult? No. You will be able to recall best with a focused mind. So don't get distracted by any activity, any emotion. Keep your handwriting neat. You do not need to slow down and make it beautiful. No extra marks for that. Just ensure that there is no overwriting. Strike it off and write. Number all the answers very carefully. In fact, in the mid as well as the left margin, and write all the parts of the question together as far as you can. है ना? कभी अगर by chance छूट ही गया तो ऐसे परेशान नहीं होना है that what I need to do and what I don't need to do, right? आपको OMR sheet मिलेगा, you have to fill MCQs there only. Now, if you're left with time, ensure to review the paper. You will definitely get 1-2 silly mistakes. Write crisp, to the point, and in short paragraphs. Try to incorporate more and more legal language and always conclude your answer in a case study. I've seen students writing the answers, writing the provision, but not giving a proper conclusion. It is very important. It has step marks. And now, sleep for at least 4 to 5 hours. Last minute cramming isn't very much helpful. So don't overexert your brain. Just review the day of exam, that is tomorrow, है ना? तो you just review what you have marked, जो बहुत limits या उस type की चीजें रहती है, where you have confusion, 30 days था, 60 days था. Just review that. Don't overexert your brain. Eat good food, healthy food, no overeating, no undereating, right? And remember, now is the time to show everyone what you can do, what you can achieve. So forget everything except the syllabus. Applaud yourself for your own efforts so far. Say to yourself, I can and I will. I'm sure my students are ready for this battle, है ना? Tell me through the comments also, but only positive affirmations, है ना? सब अच्छा ही होगा. My best wishes and love to each one of you. यार जाओ करके दिखा दो. All the best. Thank you.